It's been 1 year and some months since we last did our elections, and most of the time the culture has been when leaders are elected, they disappear from wananchi. But we want to reverse that when a leader is elected, you come back to wananchi. That is the whole essence of this conversation. And as you can see that the public, the citizens of this area are very eager to share with their leaders, but also to learn from their leaders. Because when there is understanding between the two sides, then there is development in Kenya. This is just a series of similar activities that will be done in other areas.
Here, when we were moving around during campaigns, we had our registration at the county level. Then there was this thing of men trying to understand why we have the women rep seat and not men contesting in that seat. It has opened my eye that it is not only the seat of the women rep that we can fight for. We can also fight for Senate, for a member of county assembly. In Kisii, we only have one female as a ward representative. The entire Nyamira, with the population of 20 MCAs, they don't have even one. Also the youths, they fear because the challenges that come with from the heavy resources that are needed, and probably even the certificates. There are people who want to be leaders, but they don't qualify.
That we have to start the conversation of youth leadership and women leadership at the grassroots. So we are very happy today here. We want to discuss the issues. In Kisii County, I think Kisii and Nyamira County are notorious counties. They have never elected a member of parliament as a woman. So we want to discuss, we want to understand these issues. What is it that is happening? Why don't we support the women leadership? On matters also FGM, we want to discuss those issues here. And if there is anything, we want the resolutions coming here to be tabled in Bunge, either the county, I can see where they should be able to table any resolution arrived at from this point today.